This is the most important screen in Assan Jewel. Let's make a sale. Click New Sale to open the full point of sale screen. At the top, you'll always see today's gold rates. Search for an item by name or scan its barcode with a connected scanner. Choose the purity you're selling, and Assan Jewel uses that gold rate. Click an item, enter its weight in grams, and add it to the cart. The price is calculated from the gold rate, the making charge, and the stone price. Pick your customer, or quickly add a new one right here. Add any discount, then choose the payment method, cash, card, or bank. Enter the amount received, or click Pay Full. If it's only partly paid, the balance is added to the customer automatically. Review the total, then click Complete Sale. Assan Jewel checks your stock, records the sale, and updates everything instantly. Next, let's look at the receipt and how to share it.